Good morning, student. Student, as you know, in your previous class, I am started. I am started the chapter 9. The name of chapter is the force, energy, and simple machine. So all of you get ready to attend your online class. So open chapter number 9. All of you. Date 16 of December 2020. Class 8, Class 4. Subject Science. Today I am start your chapter number 9. The plant growth and plants, animals growth. Animals growth and multiplication. Animal growth and multiplication. Okay. So student, in this chapter you will know about how organism reproduce. How organism reproduce in our surrounding. You know, there are many different kinds and species of the organism. Animals are living in our surrounding. Some are they give the birth of the young ones, and some are giving eggs. So these types of the increasing their species by reproduction is called a multiplication, or it is called a multiplication and growth. So to maintain the continuity of their species, organism reproduce to maintain their species. Okay. So in this chapter, the first topic is the reproduction. Reproduction. What is the definition of reproduction? All living beings have the property to produce their young ones to their own kinds. Okay? Being reproduce their own kind. Being reproduce to their own kind. All living beings reproduce to their own kinds to maintain their species on the earth. Okay. Suppose if all living beings do not reproduce, then their species are lost forever from the earth. Okay. So the reproduction is the main features of the all living beings to reproduce their own kinds. Their new individual reproduce from their parents. Okay. So own kind is called the reproduction. Reproduction is a vital process for continuity of the species on the earth. This is a vital process on the earth to continuity of their species. Okay. So there are two ways by which organism give or reproduce. This is the some of the two types. First of all, giving birth to young ones, laying egg. Okay, giving birth are mammals. Mammals which have the property to giving the young ones or giving the birth of the baby is called the mammals. So example, cow, dog, cat, donkey, lion, human, and egg-laying all birds. Okay, all birds are egg-laying animals. Fish, snake, turtle, insects. Fish, snake, turtle. Fish, snake, turtle. Turtle means, turtles, insects. These are some common animals which are egg-laying animals. Okay. Now, student, I am going to explain the structure of an egg. How new individuals are born from the egg. Okay. Now, all of you make the practice for the making structure of the egg. Birds. Generally, birds reproduce by laying egg. Reproduce by L-A-Y, laying egg. Okay. Student, where birds laying their eggs? Generally, all birds make the nest on the tree or in the houses or old houses. They lay their eggs on their nest. Okay. Now, the mother birds or father birds sit on the eggs. Okay. The mother birds or the father bird sit on the. ठीक है. Sit on the birds. After some time, sit on the egg to give warm. And bring them to hatching. Hatching. You know what is hatching? A small small bird when break the eggs and come out from the egg cells, this is called the hatching. This is called the hatching. This is called the incubation. That is incubation. Okay, incubation. After few weeks, when the baby birds are fully developed, they open incubation. Suppose this is the egg. A baby comes out from the egg, a fully developed baby, that is called chick, break the eggshell, and come out from the egg. Okay. How baby grow inside the egg? Now I am going to draw the structure of an egg of the bird. So all of you draw with me. Suppose this is an egg. This is cell of the egg. Okay. Okay, this is called embryo. EMBRYO. This is called the embryo. Okay, and this is called the yolk. YOLK. And the white part of the egg is called the albumen. This is the major part of the egg, and the outer covering part is called the egg cell. Outer covering part of the, now the air is space. Air space or air sac. This is very simple. Structure of a bird's egg. Draw, student. Generally, the eggs of birds are similar in the internal structure. All the eggs of the birds or any other insects, birds, reptiles, birds are similar in structure. They are generally enclosed with a hard covering protection that is called the egg cell. It is made of the calcium carbonate. Okay, egg cell. the hard protective covering is called the egg cell. Okay. Within the egg cell, there is a white part. Major white part is called the albumin. Okay, this is called the albumin, and the white part, and the yolk is the yellow part. Yolk is the yellow part which is found in the middle of the egg. Okay, student, albumin, that is the white part of the egg. It is the rich source of the protein. Rich sources of the protein, and inside the middle of the egg, this is the yolk. They provide nutrients to the developing baby. Developing baby, that is called embryo. Not baby, this is called embryo. Okay. Yolk contains developing baby called the embryo. Yolk contains, in yolk there is small embryo which are developed in the yolk, also provide the nutrients. Okay. The yolk have fat that provide the energy and other nutrients to the developing embryo. So albumin has rich of protein and yolk has the rich of the fat. Okay. When these eggs are giving proper warmth or heat, that is called incubation period. After some week, the embryo develop inside the egg. Okay. When they are mature and adult, this is called, and when they are mature, they break their egg cell and come out from the egg. This is the life cycle of the egg. Okay, I think you are known about my explanation. Okay, some other eggs laying animals. Frog. In your book, frog. How frog lays their eggs, and how a new frog comes from the eggs. So I will explain the next topic, eggs of the other animals, means the life cycle of the frog. This is the life cycle of the birds. Now I am going to explain the next life cycle, that is the life cycle of frog. Frog also reproduce. They reproduce by egglings. So they are also the egglings animals. So the female frog lays egg in the water. And the cluster of the egg is called the spawn. S-P-A-W-N, spawn. This is the egg. Okay, eggs. Now this spawn means egg, the cluster of egg. When the female frog lays egg in the water or in any wet place, and the male produce sperm on their egg cell. Okay, the reproduction is formed in the outside of body of the female. Okay, how? In the water. Female lays eggs in the water and frog throw their sperm on the eggs. This make the form a cluster on the water that is called spun. Okay, SPAWN, which are protect in water from their going to current with the current of water. So after few days they develop into the tadpole. Fish like structure. Okay, a fish like structure. Tadpole. Now tadpole had gills by which they breathe in the water. Okay. Now this tadpole develop into the tadpole with two legs. Okay, tadpole. Tadpole with two legs. Tadpole with two legs and one tail. Okay. Now this tadpole again develop to form the four leg and a tail. Tadpole with four legs and tail. This four legs tadpole develop into the adult. Okay. This is diagram of the development of a new frog from the eggs. Okay, egg. you know student, first tadpole comes out from the egg and they develop the two legs and one and gills and a tail like structure also develop in the body. Now this develop again to make four legs and one tail. Okay, now after some week their tail disappear and make a new adult frog. There is no any tail. Okay, this is the life cycle of the frog. Now write down the homework. Learn life cycle of birds and frog. Read life cycle of birds and frog. Okay student, thank you, have a nice day. I hope you are all completed your notebook and submitted it on the Friday. Don't come with your parents, send only parents in the school with your notebook. Send your science notebook chapter 1 to chapter 7 only. Okay student, thank you, have a nice day.